Welcome back, everyone. So we are making this Ankara fabric with up shoulder top. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others to see. And let's get started now. I've cut out the one that we are going to work on, so I will go ahead now to start with my measurements now. So it's up shoulder that we are making, so I will subtract from the tape rule 3 inches to get my length. My length that I'm having is 22 inches. So that is my 22 inches. And then I will roll it. So now I will start from this side of it to start with the neck. And it's a sweetheart neck that we are making. So I'll go ahead now to mark 3 inches like this. That is for the neckline. And to bring down the neck, I will go by 1.5 inches. So this is how to cut your sweetheart neck. You take it like this and take it up like this to connect to the neckline, like the 3 inches that you mark. So can you see what I'm doing here? So this is the sweetheart neck. So we have gotten the neck now. So now the next step now is to mark our armhole. My armhole that I'm marking is 1 inch. So that is my 1 inch. So on that line of my 1 inch of my armhole, that is where we'll place our tape to get our measurement for the bust. So my measurement for my bust is 34 inches. 34 divided by 4, that will give us 8.5 inches. So that's my 8.5 inches, adding my sewing allowance by 2 inches. So that is it. So now I'll go ahead now to mark and get my half length. My half length is 16 inches like this. So that's my 16 inches. On that line that we have our 16 inches, that is where we'll get our waist measurement, that is the half length. So I will place my tape to get my waist measurement. My waist measurement is 28 inches. 28 divided by 4 on our tape, it will give us 7 inches. That is when divided by 4. 28 divided by 4 will give you 8 inches. So adding 1 inch for our darts, to have a dart, 1 inch for the dart before adding the sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance I'm adding here is 2 inches. So that's my 2 inches there. So coming to the hip, like the downside will be the hip side. So our hip is 37 inches. So this is our 37 inches. That is after 9. So you all count 1 to 0.2. So that will give us 37 inches by the time divided by 4. So that is it. So adding our sewing allowance also by 2 inches. So I added 2 inches for the sewing allowance to be in a safer side. You know, when you are sewing for people around you, or yes, I'm just giving that example, you have to add so that you know some people by the time they want to put on, you can see a place that you now adjust when they bring it for you back to adjust. So no make that mistake and do not say that maybe you have spoiled the clothes. So that is very, very important. Remember that. So now to connect my armhole, like this to the bust. So I will roll it. So we're done with that. So I will go ahead now to connect all my marks together. That is all my measurement together using my tape like this. So I hope you are following up and I hope you understand what we are doing. And if you don't understand, please watch this video again and also share it for others to see so that they too can watch and learn and be able to cut by themselves. So the button will not just be straight, so we'll make it to be curved. So I'm marking 1 inch to curve it using my tape also and ruler to curve it like this. So that is it. So we've done that now. So our measurement is complete now. So what I will do now, we just cut out the one that we just measured now. So using my scissors to do that. So first, let me just cut the upper part, that is the neck side first. So this one will go away. So this is the one that we measure, that is the body. So I will cut. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also have your fabric so that you too can cut along with me like this and sew it so that you can wear it out. So that is it. So this is the neck now. I'm cutting the neck now. It's a sweetheart neck. Can you see I is good? So this is how to cut our sweetheart neck. So this is the armhole side of it that I'm cutting now. So that is it. So you can see how it is now. Or should I open it? Let me open it so that you can see the neck. So this is the neck. So this is the sweetheart neck. So what we work on now is the front. So I will use this one now to cut the back piece now. So let me do that now. So now we'll be cutting my back piece now, and this is it. I've laid it, folded it. So using the front piece that we have cut out and place it like this. So what we are going to do, just for us to get our zipper side, we are not doing any measurement again because we have used the front to cut. So just for us to get our zipper side of it, that's what we are doing. So I'm just trying to make sure that, because this cloth has design, so that it will align. So that is it. So it's okay like this. So for our zip is 1 inch that we are adding for the zipper. So that is the 1 inch. And then for the neckline, let me fold this, like the front piece, and then get our neckline. It's round neck, it will be at the back. So to bring it down, like the back neckline, I'm still marking 1.5 inches and give it a round curve like this. That is for the back. So that is what we just want to do there. And then I will cut it out. So go ahead now to cut it like this. So that is for the back piece. Opening my zipper side like this, and then after that we'll go and sew it. So let me do it like this. I'm cutting the back and make sure that the back and the front that I mark is equal here. So that is it. I've done that now. So that is the back piece now. So I'll remove this to show you the back piece. So this is the neckline for the back now. So we'll go and sew it now and come and show you the next step that we'll do now. Now we'll go ahead now to join the body part. So before doing that, we'll measure the bust, that is to join the bust together. So I will go ahead now to measure my bust, 34 inches. So this is my 34, and what will remain, we'll count it out so that we'll share it for the allowance. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 2 inch this way, 2 inch in the other side of it like this. So coming to the waist is 28 inches. So this is my 28, and we also count the one that remain out. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 2 in the other side of it also, and 2 inches in the other side of it. So coming to the down side, we also shape it out. So the hip side now is 37. So this is my 37 inches. So this is my 37 inches. What remains here? 1 at this other side. Coming to this side, 1 inch, at this other side. So we'll connect all the marks together. So I'll connect it like this. So after connecting it like this, I'll go ahead now to take it to the machine to go and join, and before we'll now cut our sleeve. So this I'm going to go and join the front and the back together now. So let me do that now. I'm going to join my top now. So the next step now is to cut the sleeve. Cut the sleeve now. This I'm going to fold it. It's a flare. It's a two-step flare. And I'll go ahead now to take my length. My length is 8 inches like this. So I will just hold it like this and continue to mark. So now we've gotten our shoulder cut, shoulder head here. So this is where it will be. So now to the length. We'll now place our tape and continue to mark our 8 inches like this. Since it's a round flare, so you continue to go round like this. So that is it. So I've gotten my length. So now I'll cut it. So I'm going to cut it now. So this is it. From here, I'll cut it out like this. So continue to cut it and finish it. So this is the two sleeves that we are cutting. So what I'm going to do, I will just open one side of it like this. So we now have our two sleeves for the both sides. So can you see how it is now? So this is the sleeve now. So I will cut the second step now. Cut out the second step of the sleeve. This is it. So I will just also fold it like this back again as flare. So what I will do, I will just use the one that I've cut out before, that the front first step, just to place it like this and get this place first. So I'm using my chalk to mark it so that it will enter the seam. So that is the neck here, that is the shoulder. So to get our length now is what I want to do now. So the length that we are having on this is 6 inches. So I will continue to mark my 6 inches like this and cut it. So this is my 6 inches, and then we will cut. That is for the second step of our sleeve. So this is it. So please watch my video down to the end. So that is it. So I will also open it like this so that we'll open the other side of it and we'll now have our two sleeves. So this is the second step of the sleeve now. This is the first sleeve now. The first sleeve. So this is the second one. So this is how it will be. You place it like this. So you can see how it is now. So this is how it will be now. Can you see it now? So what I will do now, I will go and use a little pieces of the fabric to pipe it, and I will also show you. And this is it. So this is the one that I will use. 1 inch is what I'm going to use to pipe it. So I will just take it and run it like this and turn. So that is how it will be on the sleeve. So let me do that now. So now I want to join the sleeve now. So this is what I did here. I separated it. I want it to be on its own, the two sleeve. So we sew it to this place and sew it to this place, because this is where it will fit. So I will fit it from the shoulder like this. And what I have here is 3 inches that we are going to use for the shoulder. So 3 inches. So what I will do now, I will sew it like this, starting from the neckline here. So I'm just pinning it to show you what I will go and sew. So we are sewing it like this. You can see where the place that I go and sew is to that armhole curve. So we just sew it like this. So you also take the other side of it and stitch two side. Stitch it like this. So using my pin to pin it for you to see what I'm doing. So that is how it will be. So I'm just showing you one of the sleeve now. So I will take it to the machine now to go and complete it. That is to sew it down and the sleeve will be formed. So this is how the sleeve will be. So let me do that now and with the second sleeve. This is the end of our tutorial for today. The top came out good and you can see the way we cut out the flare sleeve and you can see the sweetheart neck also. So please, if you don't understand this video, please watch this video again and share it for others so that they too can see and learn. And please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.